Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on Messenger call. So if you want to change your voice during a Messenger call, whether it's just for fun or privacy, in this tutorial, I'll show you the step-by-step guide to modifying your voice in Facebook Messenger calls on Android, iPhone or PC. So on mobile, Android or iPhone, you can just use a voice changer app. You can download a voice changer app. So popular apps like voice changer with effects, voice mode or magical that are you can just install it from your Play Store or App Store. You can go with a search for the app voice changer and you'll see lots of app in here. So I've already downloaded one, actually this one, video voice changer plus effect. So you after that you can after you install the app, you need to grant necessary permissions such as microphone access. Let's just open it. After you granted the permissions, you can just select a voice filter that you want. So in here, you just need to find the voice filter or voice effect that you want. There are aliens, bees, chipmunk, monster. So you can just choose which one. And after that, you can choose the live mode or background mode to apply the effects in real time. And once you do that, you can go back to the messenger and you can just open the contact that you want to call. And here, click on this phone icon and speak to the microphone using the voice changer app. But if you are using PC, you can install the voice mode in the voicemode.net and set the voice mode virtual audio as your default microphone. After that, again, you can just select a voice filter and just go to the messenger.com and start a call. But you need to make sure that the messenger is using the voice mode as the microphone. For additional tips, don't forget to use wired headphones to avoid audio feedback. And don't forget to test your voice settings before calling. And again, some voice changers work better with Bluetooth microphones. So now you can prank friends, protect privacy, or just have fun on messenger calls. Let me know if you need more tricks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!